Today we will start chapter 18, environmental pollution. In this chapter we will learn about pollution, different types of pollution like water pollution, noise pollution, land pollution, air pollution, ways to prevent pollution, biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. Now children, let's start with the first word, environment. So first we will talk about two words, environment and pollution. Now what is environment? All living and non-living things surrounding us make our environment. And this environment includes land, mountains, waters, streams, air, plants, animals and human beings. That means all these things makes our environment. Now children, what is pollution? So before that we know how the human beings are responsible for this pollution. The environment keeps on changing due to rise in population, and as the population is increasing day by day, more and more houses are being made. For this, more and more trees are being cut down to make this land available. New factories are being set up to meet the various demands of human beings. The numbers of vehicles running on the road is increasing continuously, and the amount of smoke produced is also increasing, and all these reasons are the responsible for air, water and land pollution. That means when the impurity increases in the air, water and land, it gets polluted. Now children, what is the meaning of pollution? So the presence of harmful substances in air, water and land is called pollution. And what do you mean by the pollutants? The harmful substances which pollute air, water and land are called pollutants. The substance which pollute air, water and land are called pollutants. Now students, we will discuss what are the different types of pollution. So pollutions are of different kind. First is air pollution, second is water pollution, third is land pollution or soil pollution, and the last one is noise pollution. In this video we will discuss about air pollution, water pollution and land pollution. Now let's start with the first pollution, air pollution. Now students, what is air pollution? As the number of vehicles and industrial units increases, air pollution also increases. And why? This is because the burning of fuels like coal, petrol or diesels in vehicles and factories. The smoke from these vehicles and factories is released into the air and make the air dirty. Gases like carbon dioxide and methane from industrial units also mix with the air and pollute it. Now students, our next topic is water pollution. Now students, what is water pollution? Mixing of harmful substances with water is called water pollution. Now the people who live near rivers and lake, they wash their clothes and utensils in the river and pollute the water. As you can see in this picture, all these people are they all washing their clothes and utensils in the river, and they polluting the water of the river. Now, drains from towns and cities carry dirty water mixed with soap, detergent, and chemicals, and release all these into rivers, lakes, and seas. And this is also one of the most important reasons of water pollution. Some amount of fertilizers and chemicals from agricultural fields also pollute the water. Now, students, our next topic is land pollution. Mixing of harmful substances with soil is called land pollution. Land pollution is caused by the domestic waste and agricultural waste. Agricultural waste includes not only parts of plant but also chemicals used to destroy weeds and pests. Now children, up to land pollution is completed. In next video we will discuss our next topic, noise pollution. Thank you.